change the rules of the game. So what we're going to do now is we're going to substitute a sound for one. Any sound you want, like woo! Right, that's my one. What's your one? All right. Moving one. Moving woo! All right. So now we do 1, 2, 3 again, but you substitute the sound for the number. Ready? So let's demo it again. Woo!
2.
3.
3.
Woo!
2.
3. 2.
3.
Woo!
2.
3. 3. All right. Everybody pick a sound with your partner, and let's bring this in.
So instead of 1,
Nice choice.
and then we just do just replace All right. How you guys doing? We got it.
Yeah. 3.
Woo! 3.
3.
Woo!
3.
3.
3.
Oh. 3.
Woo!
3.
3. All right. We're getting good at this. All right. Everybody please say thank you to your partner. Thank you. Okay, so there's a couple of lessons from this exercise. The first is, how do you feel?
That's fine. You're moving it. Body cognition. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Fancy words for feels good. Yes. Right. The other thing that we did was we high-fived every time we messed up. And this is really important because what I would like you to do is adopt an attitude of celebrating failure. In design, there's a motto called fail faster. And this motto exists simply because there's really good evidence that shows if you make a mistake after you've entered the development stage or after you've actually released a product or service, that the cost is 10 to 100 times greater than if you make a mistake when you're trying to figure things out and you correct it early. So in design, they teach people fail as fast as you can and learn your lessons and grow from it. That became something called agile thinking, right, in the business world. But it works everywhere. We're so afraid of failure. We so want to just perform. We want to answer what we think the other person is looking for in a question. And what happens is we're not being ourselves. And we're not actually being true or authentic in the moment when we do that. If you just are okay with failing and you start to celebrate it, all of a sudden your authenticity comes out. Because then it doesn't matter whether it's a right answer or a wrong answer or whether success or failure is attached to it. You can just put yourself out there. And so that little fun 1, 2, 3 exercise is a great one to do with your teams. It's a great one to do with your students. I'll teach you another one this afternoon. That's a really fun classroom exercise to do to get into the space of, one, embodied cognition and having fun together, but also very importantly, accepting failure.